pala ang umaga nyo ngayon? Sana maganda ang gising nyo. As you can see, manipis yung buhok natin ngayon kasi stress na stress tayo. Hindi healthy hair ko ngayon. Nanalaga siya lahat, guys. Hindi siya healthy. Kailangan ko na maligo ng coconut. Yung coconut oil, coconut milk ba? Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog ba sa amin. Lubilugat. Tayo na kinikat. Dami yung angke. I look unhealthy, right? Wait lang. Bakit natawa? I sugar on my tongue. Your body is so sweet. Bakit naman Kuya PEF tumatawa yarn? Hala, salamat sa friendship necklace, bracelet. Thank you po. Good. Have a great day. Have a blissful time, dear. Cute. Thank you po, Mike. Salamat, Mike. Good morning. Go away, Hana, la la lulu, just like you. Bye-bye. Bakit bye-bye? Bye-bye? Bakit tita? Alam, bakit tita? Huh? I'm a daughter of a Northern Vale. I'm the daughter of the Northern Vale. A scar is a testament of a warrior's honor. Shoutout po kay Ninong Aray. Shoutout pa kay Ninong Ray. Hi, Ninong Ray. Day of the Rose. Smells so good. Day of the Rose. Smells so good. Day of the Rose. Smells so good. Thank you. Bakit bye-bye? And her ultimate invocation, Spirit of the Northern Vale. Guide me. Ano ngayon? Spirit of the Northern Vale. Guide me. Bakit tumatawa? PEF. Bakit? Kuya Kim, ano na? Ano na, Kuya Kim? Hi, Kim Taeyo. Ohayo gozaimasu. Daijoubu desu ka? Kinikilig si Ninong Ray. Hi, Ninong Ray. Invented. Hello, Ninong Ray. Good morning. Ano nga? Ano nga yun kay Freya? Spirits of the Northern Vale, guide me! Ano pa yun? I am the daughter of the Northern Vale. I am the daughter of the Northern Vale. A scar is a testament of a warrior's honor. Hello, thank you. Good morning. Happy Sunday po. Have a great happy Sunday. And take care. God bless. Love, love. Ano nga pala ka everyone? Yung Nana nga. Nana.
Do you want to make friends with Nana? Leomins are cute too.
I'm the daughter of the Northern Vale. And her ultimate invocation. Spirits of the Northern Vale, guide me. Hi, Ronel. Don't forget to double tap. At baka may piso ko dyan. Don't forget to send me some gifts. Tigil mo na yan. Mukha kang si Katulong. Katulong lang talaga ako. Sorry na. The number you have dialed cannot reach. Please try again later. Good morning, everyone. I don't look healthy though, Huwag ka malito. Mukha kang Katulong. Okay lang. I am Katulong talaga. Look at my hair. It's so unhealthy talaga. May kaspa pa yan. Kaspa. Tagay ko na yung sana all magtagay. Sponsored. Wow. Nunez. Hi po. Pink pa ba yun?